education. He spent 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of 1,20,000 on education. And secondly, he spent on his housing loan. Housing loan. 1 by 3 of 1,20,000. So what he will get, the money he spent on education, 1 by 6 into this 1,20,000. So 20,000 rupees he spent on education, and 1 by 3 of 1,20,000. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So he spent 40,000 on housing loan. Okay. So from total amount 1,20,000, he spent 20,000 on education and 40,000 on housing loan. So what is remaining? And then on the remaining amount, so our aim is to find that the remaining amount. Remaining amount. 1,20,000 minus 20,000 plus 40,000. Add this one, is 1,20,000 minus, if you are adding this one, you will get it 60,000. Subtract this one, you get this one, 60,000 money has remained with Tom. So in this 60,000, second step, this is the second process. On the remaining amount, on remaining amount, what he will do that? On remaining amount 60,000, he spent 1 by 4 on food. He spent 1 by 4 on food. The remaining amount 60,000, and 2 by 5 on the rest item. On rest item. On rest item. 2 by 5 on rest item. This is 60,000. Solve this one. 4, 1, 5. 15,000 he has spent on food. Cancel this one. Then 24,000 is spent on rest items. So asking that find the sum of money left with him. What the money left with him? So money left with him is equal to 60,000 is remaining money. In that he spent 15,000 on food and 24,000 on rest item. So 60,000 minus 15,000 in bracket 15,000 plus 24,000. Add this one. 60,000. Here students, see this one. I'm going to write it upside here. Money left with him. Money left with him. Money left with him is equal to 60,000 minus in bracket 15,000 and plus 24,000. 60,000 minus 30,549,213, 39,000. Subtract this one. If you subtracting this one, you will get 0, 0, 30, comma 10 minus 9, 1, and 5 minus 3, 2. So he has left with 21,000 after this expenditure. Firstly, he spent on education 1 by 6 on the total amount and 1 by 3 on this total monthly income. So 20,000 and 40,000 he spent on education, 20,000 and 40,000 on housing loan. So what is the remaining amount after doing this one? What is the remaining amount with him? 60,000. On that 60,000, he spent 1/4 on food and on the rest items. So 15,000 he spent on food and 24,000 he spent on rest items. So what the money left with him? After adding this two, subtract from 60 remaining amount, you will get this 21,000 rupees left with him. Students, one more question I want to tell you. This question number 6 from your exercise, from your exercise 2C. I want to revise this one. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pen. He gave 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena. What fraction of the packet did he give to Krishna and Meena? What fraction of the packet was left with him? I told you that, students, it is very easy. I have done that one. I want to revise this one. Question number 6 from your exercise 2C. Question number 6. Rajesh has a 20 sketch pen. Rajesh has a 20 sketch pen. 20 sketch pens. A packet of 20. Rajesh has a packet of 20 sketch pens. In that he gave Krishna. He gave Krishna and Meena. Krishna he has given 12 and 6 to Meena. So what the fraction got by Krishna? 12 upon 20, and that fraction is 6 upon 20. Cut this one. You will get it by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. So that fraction is 3/5, and this one by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. So 3 upon. So the fraction of Krishna is 3/5 and the fraction of Meena is 3/10. What is the total fraction of Krishna and Meena? Total fraction of a packet got by both Krishna and Meena. Both Krishna and Meena. I'm going to add this one. 3/5 and plus 2 3s are 6 and 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. 3/10 and 3/5 and 3/5 plus 3/10. So your LCM is 10. 3 2s are 6 and plus 3. What you will get it? 9/10. That is the total fraction of Krishna and Meena. Why I have solved this one? Because after that, if you subtract this quantity from 1, you will get your required answer. What is left? The quantity as a fraction. So what is asking? What fraction of the packet was left? Fraction of a packet left with Rajesh. If we suppose the total amount is 1, this is a 20 sketch pen, it is a given amount, but in a fraction, if it is suppose that it is a 1 unit, 1 minus 9/10, this is 10, 1 divided by 10, 10, 10 and 10 divided by 10, 1 is multiplied into 9, then you will get it 1. That's why I have find in the previous video, I have find this 9 upon 10. But I think that it is a little bit tough for you to understand 1, because the fraction you always suppose it 1. Okay, that's why fraction is a whole. Okay, here is given that quantity, so with that quantity I have solved it. This is your answers. Okay, students, 3/5, 3/10. Okay, then after that way, if you solve this way also, that one is also easy, or you will solve in your previous way. The left packet of sketch pen pen. Sketch pens is equal to 20 minus, he has given 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena. 12 minus 18. 2 packet has left. So what is the fraction this one? Fraction is equal to 2 upon 20. Then in case of also you will get it 1 by 10. So if any doubt, students, please ask your doubt immediately. Okay, when that video has uploaded, you can see this see the video properly, students. In that I'm seeing that some students are not using that campus care. Use your campus care, see the lectures, okay, and if any type of doubts, immediately you will ask through your campus care messaging app. Okay, thank you, student.